Remove the topographic base map from the map. Don't be surprised that the display is blank. No features have been created yet in the feature classes. In Contents, select all three layers. Hold the Shift key down. Right-click one of them and choose Sharing, Share as Web Layer to open that tool. Enter a distinctive name for the service without spaces, such as Sioux Park Mapping. Enter a brief summary and distinctive search tags. Select Feature for the layer type. Choose Pro Practice for the location folder. If desired, turn on additional sharing options. Click the Configuration tab in the tool. Check the box to enable editing and allow editors to add, update, and delete features. Do not enable sync for this exercise. Choose Export Data to allow others to download copies of the feature layers.